It's 6 in the morning. It's before work. I'm getting some time. Gotta squeeze in some time for bonsai. Yeah, here we are. So this is a spruce. I really love this spruce. It struggled when I first got it. So it's kind of struggled all the way through, but it's got nice buds now shooting out. So I think it's ready to work. I'm going to try to see if I can bring the soil up to here, if I can. I think there's a lot of cement in here, so it should work. I have this pot. I made this a couple years ago. I broke a dish in my in the house, so yeah. So looks like a lot of mycorrhiza. Interesting. So it needs a lot of work, sort of cleaning out, deciding which branches to keep. Haven't really decided if I should be taking, you know, like there's little new buds, but there's none. I mean, obviously you got lots at the top, so there's lots of vigor in those top ones. But you know, like this guy in here, he's looking pretty weak. Top sort of died off. You know, is there any buds there? Yeah, so these are some buds. Oh no, that's from the other one. There's some coming off, so you know, maybe trim it a bit to preserve that. And you can see I've kind of managed to get it so it looks more like a clump. This one's dead here, so it's a clump of 4. You know, maybe something like that might be the best angle. Maybe something like that, because the trunks don't cross, but yeah. Some more repots. This is that willow that I had that I again just sort of twisted up, and you can see it's just starting to push nice growth coming out. Yeah, kind of a strange container for it, but I've been liking it. It sort of works with this angular movement in here with the angles down there. Sort of a juniper, you know, I gotta take off all this wire and put a bunch of gin to it, and you know, it's kind of weird because the movement feels like the tree is sort of going this way, and then the deadwood shoots off to the right, so it kind of splits. And you know, I have it very uniform at this point. You know, take these off, maybe decide to try to maybe bring it this way. But again, a lot of like twisted branches in behind, and everything's sort of twisted around, so you know, the most structurally sound one.